guys, got you here inside of the Porsche Panamera today. Today we're going to get rid of this ugly orange interior light. Snap a photo of it real quick. So all you're going to want to do is grab you a little plastic pry tool, and we're just going to come up in here from the back. We're going to go get this pulled down. There's a clip right here and a clip right here. I'm gonna set my phone down while I do this. Alright guys, real quick, I just wanted to catch this on camera. So what I did, I just went ahead and pried it back here, and I pulled the lip down. Now that I've got it, you can just take your finger and run it in here, and they just kind of pop out now at this point. Yeah, you can see it better right here. See, they just pop out. And we didn't break anything. And then here we're going to do the same thing, other than the fact that our little pieces are going to be right in here on the sides that we're going to have to get to pry it down. Alright guys, so I just real quick wanted to show you, you've got these little tabs in here like this. And in order to get these to come out, you've got to get something that you can bend up in here to hit that and get them to pop down. But once you do, then you can just bring the front down, and I've already get up in here for you right here. That was the first one. I twisted it out. That one's still in there. I'm gonna twist it out here in a second. I'll show you the bulb. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into our 10-pack here and replace it with the LED replacement. Okay, so we've got our LED replacement in here, and we're just gonna put her back in here. You see her already lighting up. Sorry, it's hard to do this one-handed, but I'm gonna get these replaced, and I'll show you guys. Hey guys, just to show you guys real quick what these look like. They've got the black clip on the outer side, and you can see that piece right there. That's the part that you're supposed to just kind of go up in here and tilt in. But really, I found it best to just grab your screwdriver, put it right here, and just kind of pry it like that, and it popped right out. Didn't damage anything, so. Same thing here. The clips on the opposite side of the pry where you pry it in. And over here I did the same thing. I just pried in this way and popped it out. So I'm going to go ahead and replace those with these and be done with this. Alright, so as you can see, we've got these replaced with the new ones. And then you've got some little ones down here. You don't even need a tool. You just reach in and grab these, and they snap right in and out. So just push it back up in there. No problems with those at all. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and while you're at it, check out some of my social media pages below and the new videos I got coming out next.